Hi, I'm Tom with Poolworks Twin Cities, and today I'm going to show you how to build your brand new TheraSauna. This is a two-person job as some of the pieces are heavy, but a homeowner should be able to install one in their basement or wherever you're putting it within about 1 hour's time. The first step is going to be positioning the floor where you'd want the sauna to be. Now that you have your floor in place, we're going to want to install the back wall as the first support wall. This is definitely a two-person job as the wall panel is pretty heavy. Now that your back wall is in place, we're going to set both the left and right side walls in place and put a couple of the bolts in to hold it. Two notes of caution. Do not tighten the bolts all the way until the sauna is fully put together. This will give us a little bit of wiggle room when we get to the step of putting in our bench seating. There's also a channel on the top of the side walls and the back wall. It's important that that is facing up. That is where our roof will set into. Now that our walls are up, we're about halfway done. The next step is getting the bench put in. First, we're going to put in the support piece, which will slide into these two guides on either side. We'll connect this end of the cord into the heater itself, and then we'll simply slide the bench top into place. Our walls are up and our bench is in. Now it's time to put in the front panel and the roof. The front panel does have a glass door and is absolutely a two-person job. We do not want to shatter the door. Now that all the walls are in place, we can fully tighten all the bolts, and we can also install the two remaining bolts that bolt the front wall into the floor. After that is complete, we'll take our cables in the top channel and snake them around and plug them in to the receiving end on the back panel itself, making sure to keep the cable tucked in the channel the whole time. Once everything's hooked up, we can take our roof, set it in place, and we'll almost be done building our sauna. Now that our sauna is built, it's time to accessorize it. We're going to need to install our light, put our sticker on our control panel, and then we'll be ready to plug it in and use it. There is an included light with a small orange bag with a handful of parts. Really the only important part that we're going to be using is this light holder screw. We'll get to it. The roof is on and we have just 2 more steps before we're ready to use our sauna. We need to plug in our perimeter lighting, which is what these little knobs around the outside of the sauna are. Plug the sauna into the wall, fire it up, and you're ready to use your new TheraSauna infrared sauna. Thanks so much for watching, and if you have any questions, please call your local Poolworks.